Hello students, let's move on with the seventh parts of speech as it is conjunctions in our English grammar subject. As we have studied the six parts of speech is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective and prepositions, right? Okay, now today we will learn about the seventh parts of speech, conjunctions. Now what is a conjunction? Let's see. A conjunction is a word used to join together words, phrases or sentences. A conjunction is a word which is used to join together words, phrases or sentences. Let's understood by the examples. See the first example. He sells mangoes and oranges. He sells mangoes and oranges. Here and is conjunction, right? It joins these two words, mangoes and oranges. And is conjunction and it joins two words, mangoes and oranges. Okay, in the second sentence, my purse is on the table or in the cupboard. Here or is conjunction and it joins the two phrases, on the table, in the cupboard. On the table and in the cupboard are phrases and or joins these two phrases, right? In the third sentence, she is fond of music but she hates dancing. Here which is the conjunction? But. This conjunction join these two sentences, right? Here in the first sentence and joins two words, in the second sentence or joins two phrases, and in the third sentence but join two sentences, right? So a conjunction is a word that is used to join together words, phrases or the sentences. ना ये जो कंजंक्शन है उसे संयोजक कहा जाता है। तो ये ऐसा संयोजक है कि जो दो वर्ड्स को, दो फ्रेजेस को या दो सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ता है कुछ शब्दों से। या एंड और बट आर द कंजंक्शंस। Now conjunctions are used to give more information, to give alternatives, to give reasons, to give results or to give unexpected information. Now some commonly used conjunctions include and, but, or, so and because. Now the use of and is used to connect the words as he is honest and hardworking. Here and is conjunction and it joins two words. He is honest and hardworking. It is used to connect two words. Now but is used to show contrast, to show the opposite. It used to show contrast as Bali has failed. Bali has failed. But Ashok has passed. It used to show contrast. Here but is conjunction, right? So but is used to show contrast. Here or is used to introduce an alternative, means choice. It is used to introduce a choice. It's like, would you like tea or coffee? Here or is conjunction. You have to choose tea or coffee to introduce an alternative choice as tea or coffee. So or is used to introduce an alternative. Now so is used to express a result. Shows to express a result as I studied hard, so I passed the test. Studied hard, so passed the test. So is used to express a result. Now because, to express the reason. Because is used to express the reason. For example, because is used to express the reason. As for example, I passed the test because I studied hard. I passed the test. How? Because I studied hard. So because it is conjunction and it used to express the result. Sorry, reason. Okay. Let's solve some examples of the conjunctions. Okay, join the sentences with and, but, or, so, and because. Okay. So the first sentence here, there are 4 sentences. First sentence, Harry failed. He was idle. हैरी फेल हो गया, वो आलसी था. क्यों फेल हो गया? क्योंकि वो आलसी था. हैरी फेल्ड because he was idle. Here it expresses the reason of his failure. Okay, so the answer is Harry failed because he was idle. Okay, now second sentence. The box was heavy. He could not carry it. The box was heavy, so he could not carry it. The box was heavy, so he could not carry it. Now third sentence. Work hard, you will fail. Here you have choice. So we have to join with or. Work hard or you will fail. Work hard or you will fail. Fourth sentence. He is rich. He is not happy. He is rich but not happy. He is rich but he is not happy. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic. That you have to write all the points and these 4 sentences in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, we will continue with another parts of speech interjections in the next session. Thank you.